dear friends, greetings from Holland. Thank you. I really appreciate your comments. I really appreciate you watching this video series on how to stay positive in a negative world. Today, again, I want to share with you a practical point that will bless you. It has helped me in my own life, and it's very biblical. And that is that we need fellowship, we need friendship, we need to come together as people, encourage one another, have fun, play games, talk, discuss, pray, whatever we do, but fellowship, being together as a group is very important. And we've seen over the last couple of years that a lot of people have felt isolated. Loneliness is a big problem in our society today. Young people, old people. The Bible calls for fellowship. I don't care how you look at it. The Bible calls for fellowship, calls for meeting together regularly. And let's read Book of Acts. The first believers in the New Testament, it says in Acts 2, verse 42, all the believers devoted themselves to the apostles' teaching and to fellowship and to sharing in meals, including the Lord's Supper, and to prayer. These are all points that we mentioned in the days before this. Fellowship, meals, cooking for someone, prayer, the teaching, reading the Bible together. So we need fellowship. We are built for fellowship, and it doesn't have to be a big group of people. It can be 2 or 3. When 2 or 3 are together in the name of Jesus, He will be there right in your midst. He will be there to teach you, to encourage you, to heal you, to inspire you, whatever it is you need. So I encourage you, pick up fellowship again if you've isolated you somewhat from a group. And if there is no group in your neighborhood or in your street, start one. Invite people, bake that pie that we talked about yesterday, and start a group. So I hope this will help you. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.